unbreakable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room.
はい、どうもいつもね、動画ご視聴いただき本当にありがとうございます。おっちゃんね、今日ね、私のこの会社の方なんですけどね、ここにね壁を作ってます。それでね、こんなブロック買ってもね、安いんですよ。100円200円やのにね、わざわざ廃材が出たのでね、廃材でね塀を作ってます。それで、この中の鉄筋もね、いろいろこう DIY やっててね、昔から廃材としてゴミとしてホールね鉄筋をのけてたんですよ。それをね使いながらね塀を作っていってます。さあまあね、今日全部完成はしないと思うんですけどね、これからなんて言ったらいいんですかね、こうディズニーランドの塀わからんよね。こうかわいいね、こう普通塀って言ったら天板がまっすぐと思うんですけど、まっすぐでないこう波打ったようなね、そんな感じをね廃材で作っていきたいと思いますのでね、もしよかったら動画をお付き合いください。今日はね、できるところまで頑張ります。まずは一段をね、コンクリートで止めていきたいと思います。おーす。
I was out alone looking for love, and you buzzed by and caught my eye. I had to get to know you, get to know you. I was surprised by your sweet southern charm. I wasted no time, had to make a move, so I got a little closer to you. But you were like a bee sting on a summer day in the middle of July. I stopped to taste the honey, could have kept it running, baby. Then I'd been alright. I had my heart open, 'cause I was hoping that you would be the one. Goodbye, honey, I'm done. You had me believing that I was a queen, but I learned really quick you weren't as sweet as you seemed. I should have known better, should have seen this coming, but I couldn't resist dancing with you. So I gave you my hand and you spun me in with your sweet moves and come on over grin. But you were like a bee sting on a summer day in the middle of July.
はい、次はねこのブロックのねここセンター部分にね切れ込みを入れていきます。これはなぜするかといったらね、ここのところにね鉄筋が入っていくんですよ。で鉄筋が当たらないようにね、切れ込みを入れていきます。
They still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you. I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight.
はい、セメントをね、練っていきます。セメントはねもうホームセンターに売ってるもう水を入れるだけのやつ、それを練ってます。それでね水はね少ないめからね、練っていってでちょっとずつね、水を入れるようにしてます。入れすぎ注意です。はい、さっきねここの面を切るのにね顔がねもうセメントだらけになりました。それでねセメントを練れたのでねこれ入れていきます。もう入れていくだけです。
You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you.
はい、それでねもうちょっとしたらね日がどっと落ちてねもう撮影できないんでね、もう先にね今日はエンディングを撮るようになりました。それでねまあこんな感じでこのね廃材 廃材作ってね塀を作って、この今は汚いけどね、この周りも全部こうモルタル塗って、それでこう可愛く仕上げれるかなと。これね素人がね、挑戦してます。それでね、もしダメだったらねバーンと叩いて脱いでね、終わりにしたいと思います。とりあえずね、チャレンジすることは楽しいんでね、おっちゃんやってます。これもね、シリーズ化してね、どんどんまたね、これはもうできるだけ早くしたいんでね、早く頑張ってやっていきますのでね、またそれを報告していきますので、チャンネル登録していただいてね、今後も見ていただいたらめちゃくちゃ嬉しいです。てなわけでね、今日はねおっちゃんねガレージライフでなしにねちょっと DIY やってます。てなわけでね、これ DIY っちゅうんかな、ガーデニングなんていうんかな、まあそんな感じです。いいね、高評価お願いします。またチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。ではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。